So a couple of other products that we want to talk about here. I'm here with Mike, and first of all, I think this is a great new product coming. So why don't you tell us about the particle respirator?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the Sabre Readi mask. It is a disposable, one-time use particulate respirator. What's unique about it is it utilizes a hyperallergenic medical-grade adhesive to perfectly seal around the face. So you can actually get a complete perimeter seal around the face. This is the only mask on the market that truly affords you the ability to do that. Most of your masks of this type, or the respirators of this type, use straps to adhere to your face.
Sure.
So, they'll cover maybe the nose and mouth, and then you'll have breaks around the nose or maybe around the chin, so they don't get that complete perimeter seal.
Well, and of course, so a guy like me with a beard, not going to do so hot.
Sure.
But at least give you some.
Absolutely.
And what level of particulate respiration filter do we get out of this?
All right, so from the testing we've done, it filters about 99% of particulates.
Okay.
We've tested it up to 0.3 microns. Basically, the way this mask works, it's a statically charged respirator. So it'll block bigger particulates, and then smaller particulates that would normally get through, it traps them. So 0.3 microns is deemed to be the most penetrating particulate size out there. And from the testing we've done, it filters about 99% of those particulates.
It's amazing. So if you were in an environment that you had bad juju, so I mean, my mind goes to something like 9/11, right after the towers fall, and you got this huge amount of particulates around.
Absolutely.
So you bust that out of your first aid kit or your get home bag or whatever, put that on, and get the heck out of the situation.
So that was actually the inspiration behind this mask. So the inventor of this product saw all those first responders going down to ground zero. Tons of them didn't have any sort of respiratory protection, and now 15, 16 years down the road, a lot of those guys are paying for it.
Well, and I think about, so I've had a couple times in my life, I'm not an EMT, I've never done anything like that.
Sure.
But I've been first responder at a couple of car wrecks, including guys that have their faces busted open and stuff like that. And,
sure.
And getting blood and stuff on you from somebody wheezing blood on you stinks.
Absolutely.
And so having something where you can still see, where I can help people, but I'm not worried about biologicals?
So this is designed to, we've done testing with bacteria, spores, similar to anthrax, viruses. We've done testing with pepper spray. It'll filter smoke particulates, obviously spit and bodily fluids, and more. And then the nice part about it, it's extremely compact as well, so you can keep it on person at any given time. From a packaging standpoint.
I love it. It's this little guy.
Exactly. So you can keep this in a cargo pocket or a go bag.
And this is important to me. You can fold it in half and it's still okay. So for me, I'm going to stick that in my first aid kit, in my ankle carried first aid kit, and it's still good, and it's not going to ruin it. That's important because you got to have it. If you don't have it, you're not going to use it.
Exactly.
So having it around. And, man, I wish we didn't have to talk about things like this, but we have riots in America today.
Sure.
Anything from a wrong verdict to, racial unrest sometimes.
Sure.
You might get caught somewhere where you're like, dude, I got to get the heck out of here, but things are getting a little hairy. And they start, spraying the OC in the crowds and stuff like that. I don't want to be involved in that. Like, put this on and get the heck out of here.
Sure.
Useful thing, man.
Absolutely.
Thing. So I got another thing that I want to talk about. I love these. You guys know I'm a pepper grenade guy. And I think having something like this in the car, useful tool. Again, we're talking about riot control here, right? We're talking about I don't want to run somebody over in my car.
Sure.
And again, is this a common use tool? No, but you're going to get the heck out of the situation, not have to use lethal force. I think that's a useful tool.